Hello everyone, Jose Gregorio here. In this video, I'm testing the night lapse photo feature of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Settings that I use for this video will be available in the description box down below, so you guys can check them out whenever. Now, it is important to keep in mind when shooting at night using the night lapse photo feature on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The settings that I use for this video can be a bit different according to the shooting location of your choice. I hope this helps in some way shooting with the GoPro Hero 7 Black using the night lapse photo feature. Have fun shooting at night with the GoPro Hero 7. And now let's see what the GoPro 7 is capable of using the night lapse photo feature. Now let's roll that video. That was night lapse photo with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to leave your comments and questions in the comments box down below. Also, please share, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Give a thumbs up if you really like this video, and until my next one, thank you guys for watching.